In this video, we are going to review the best potato masher available in the current market. After reviewing 15 potato masher and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Potato Masher. This potato masher from OXO is one such product. The mashing plate of the masher is made up of stainless steel, which makes it durable and resistant to bending. The wave-like design of the mashing plate means that there is a large surface area to mash your potatoes efficiently. The wavy design is also easier to clean compared to the ones with the holes, and you can simply wash the potato masher in your dishwasher without the trouble of having to wash it manually.
Number 2.
KUKPO Stainless Steel Potato Masher. This potato masher highlights a handle with an innovative design that is horizontal instead of the common vertical design. The handle being horizontal and covered with thermoplastic rubber offers you a comfortable grip and allows you to apply pressure with maximum ease when mashing your potatoes. The mashing plate of this product is broad and is made of durable stainless steel, which prevents the potatoes from slipping when the pressure is applied.
Number 3.
PriorityChef Potato Ricer and Masher. This is where the potato ricer gets the spotlight. Potato ricers are a special kind of potato mashers that have a straining function along with the mashing, and mashes the potatoes into small rice grain size pieces, which results in the fluffy texture of the mashed potatoes. This product has been ergonomically designed with a long, anti-slip, easy grip design that features a stainless steel handle covered with contoured silicone that will prevent your hands from having sores after mashing your potatoes. The handle also provides easy leverage, so all you need to do is to put the pieces of potatoes inside the masher, close the lid and apply gentle pressure.
Number 4.
Chefn Freshforce Potato Ricer Press. It has a patented gear mechanism that makes it 65% more efficient in mashing your potatoes compared to conventional potato mashers, which means mashing potatoes is going to be a faster and an easier process once you have this gadget in your collection. You simply need to boil your potatoes, put it inside the masher and squeeze effortlessly using the ergonomically designed and cushioned handle of this masher, and watch the smooth, fluffy, lump-free mashed potatoes come out of the ricer.
Number 5.
Waffle Head Potato Masher. This masher from Best Manufacturer is a simple yet efficient potato masher with a unique waffle head that helps to bring out the fluffy texture in your mashed potatoes. The waffle head is made of 18/8 steel, which is a high-grade stainless steel that makes the masher a long-lasting kitchen tool. The handle has been weighted, instead of being hollow, to provide the comfort and control that you desire when working with a potato masher.